sight words. Set is the I like my to go can I see. We you look at big with for he she in. Little have her art and play said come they eat. Set one. The bug is red. I like my pet. My pet is wet. I see a cat. Can I go see my car? I like to bat. The box is wet. My mom can run. I can see a cup. Set two. We like to run. Look at the big gun. She is my mom. It is a big pot. Did you see the bin? He is in the cat. The cat is with the dog. It is for you. J is for jump. Can he go? Set 3. It is my gun. Her, her is my pen. I have 10 pens. We are in the cab. It is a little bug. Pan and jump are in the box. I like to play with my pet. She said, I have a little cat. They like to jog. Come and play with me. Set 4. Put help me on. Put up, down, jump away of your. Set 5. Do when our had but walk now so very no his her has by him will want be all. Set 4. Put on your hat, said Mom. They can help you. Look at me, said Tom. Help me to play. The bug can go up and down. They like to sit down. I like jump on the bed. Go away, said Sam. We can see a lot of cubs. It's she, your mom, said 5. Do you have a cup or a hat? He went down to play. The bug went into the bin. I do not like jam or bin. Tom and Pam had fun. They all had big bugs. The pup can walk but cannot run. I am very sad. Now the cub is in the den. The log is so big. Set 6. Can I have a pet? Tom said. No, it is not a jet. It is her bag. It is it, it is his cat. He has a dog. His dog like to be with him. I will go to bed now. I want a cat. You can sit by me. We all like to jog. Set 7. Not came after make was that about out. Other could would. Set 8. Right from many old first used into as more colored. Set 9. Some were again long there each could because their part. Set 7. Do not nub him. Dad came in his van. Two comes after one. I can make jam. The dog was after the car. Can I get out of the van? Can I go out now? She was about to run. I want the other pen. Would you get an egg from her? Set 8. You can write about the sun. Cub came out from the bed then. I have many pets. It is an old bag. Use it as it is. We will use it first. He went into the hut. I was called by my dad. 10 is more than 6. Write with your pen. Set 9. Can I get some jam? We were in the cab. She said, come again to my hut. There is a bug on the rug. It has long legs. It is their pet. It is part of my job. Can I can win because I am fit. Each of you can go. You could have run. Set 10. As once my day way no very than life. Set 11. This that time with number people soon. Then set 12. Water, where, what, when, why, who, which, how, fine, to. See you tomorrow.